Understanding, be a front runner. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, be a front runner. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversations but also rich in meaning and implication. Whether you're learning English for work, school, or just for fun, understanding these kinds of phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be a front runner. The phrase, be a front runner, refers to being in a leading position in any competition or race, not just in sports but also in other contexts like business, politics, or any field where there is competition. A frontrunner is someone who is most likely to win or succeed because they are ahead of their competitors. It's important to note that being a frontrunner implies not just being in front at any moment but being perceived as the most likely to end up winning or succeeding. The term frontrunner has its roots in the world of horse racing, where it described a horse that led the race from the start and was expected to win. Over time, the usage of this phrase expanded beyond the racetrack to describe leaders or likely winners in any competitive field. Understanding this origin can help you appreciate the metaphorical nature of the phrase when you encounter it in different contexts. Using be a front runner in sentences can really showcase your grasp of English nuances. Here are a few examples. In the business world, after launching their innovative product, the company has become the front runner in the tech industry. In politics, the candidate is considered the front runner for the party's nomination, leading in both polls and endorsements. In personal achievements, with her excellent grades and extracurricular activities, she is the front runner for the scholarship. Understanding phrases like be a front runner is crucial for English learners for several reasons. It allows you to comprehend news, literature, and conversations more deeply. Also, using such phrases accurately in speech and writing can enhance your language skills, making your English sound more fluent and natural. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, be a front runner. I hope this video has shed some light on how dynamic and interesting the English language can be, especially when it comes to phrases that carry so much meaning beyond their literal words. Remember, learning these expressions not only helps you understand others better but also makes your own English more expressive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you discover more fascinating aspects of the English language in our next video.